I am recording the approaching train 822, at least I think it is, from the Heartland Flyer that moves from Fort Worth, Texas to Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. It is currently in the distance. It is coming into Norman at this time though, so once it gets to Norman, I will pause it and then I'll play it again as it's leaving Norman. It is currently, I'm trying to see the time, I can't get the time though. Probably around, yeah, here it is. Probably, let's see my watch here. 8:49, so it's actually a bit late. But yeah, you could definitely hear it, and I could see it at this time. It might be the same engineer, because I remember hearing this on YouTube before. Oh, there goes a railroad crossing. Oh, but there goes that one. I did not expect that one to go because the thing isn't coming yet. It's got to stop in Norman. Is that one gonna go? Yeah, that one just went. Oh wait, is this not it? No, I'm pretty sure this should be the time it comes in. Yeah, there it is, right there. Unfortunately, like I said, once it gets into the station, I'm gonna pause it briefly, and then once it keeps going, and I'm gonna keep it coming. Unless it doesn't stop, though. I see people there, so I kind of doubt it. And this is for all the people who do not believe that Amtrak trains. An Amtrak train there's not an Amtrak train between Fort Worth, Texas, and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. It is right there. I have the evidence right in front of my face. And wait, does it have no one again? Okay, hang on. I'm gonna pause it. Gonna pause it briefly and then wait for the train to keep going, unless it's going right now. I'm gonna pause it briefly. Hang on. See, Ma? It's right there. Oh, I didn't pause it. Whoops. It's not pausing. Okay, now it's not pausing, so it looks like I'm just gonna have to keep this going.